So we're going to be changing the struts today. What you need is 21 millimeter, a breaker bar, a long breaker bar. Just got to break this bad boy open. So one thing I can't stress enough is please jack it and then put it on a jack stand. Never let the car sit on the jack alone. Always jack stand. Alright, so the deal with Nissan Altimas, the jacks are like piss easy. This is your, sorry, the struts are piss easy. Here's the coil alone. So this thing sits on a bar. I don't know what you want to call these things, suspensions, a bar suspension. But the strut, if you pay attention, it's on its own. It has like 0 things to sit on. And you don't have to put the coil on. And that's all you have to do. Remove these guys. And then remove the very top screws. There should be 2 of them. That's all you need to do. Pretty easy. Alright, so the strut you have to remove is that one. This is the right side we're doing now. Okay, we'll take that off. That is a 19 millimeter. And that thing, it's so weak, I can use my impact driver to get it out. See it? Nissan did not torque that hard enough. Alright, so next you need to remove these 2, this one and this one. You need a deep impact socket for that one because shallow impact won't work. So deep impact, and all you need to do is step through, shoot it out. It's that easy. This suspension is so easy to work with, and the suspension will drop a little. Don't worry, don't freak out. Alright, now that you got the top removed, remove the bottom guy. Take the bolt out. And just lift and just drop it down, just like that. Alright, camera readjusted. Now here's what you do. Take the parts off. Always line them up the way you saw it. So it goes this way, this piece. Uh-oh, I gotta go get the other one done right. This piece, this piece, this piece, and this piece. And then the boot cover. Alright, so Monroe. Where the heck are my fittings? Oh, there they are. So Monroe also comes with a bag of replacement parts. So just remember the sequence you had it in. They do have a bag of replacement parts. So keep it the same way you saw it. But first thing, you got to remove this. Don't use your hand. Always use a tool. There you go. Break it free. It comes off. And don't forget, prime it a couple of times before you install it. Look at the stock one. Stock one's not coming back. Let's compare it. Whoops. Go. See the stock one's not coming back up? You can tell stock one's blown. One more time. Let's just prime it 3 times. Now reassemble everything the way you saw it. goes there. That piece goes there. Now the aftermarket ones, I like to use the aftermarket since they're brand new. So keep it the way you see it. That one goes there, there. So this piece goes here. And this piece goes here. Just push it until it bottoms out, just like the stock one. And just replace it. Goes there. This one goes here. Is that right? Yep. Wow. That's weird. That one goes there. This one goes in here. So it'll lock this thing. It'll lock this on. Not this way, guys. This way. And that's it. Sorry, I didn't get a very good job. Alright, once you have everything assembled, just put the cap on and start to reinstall this into the same way you saw in the strut. Piece of cake. Alright, I didn't want to cheat you guys, so I'll guide you through it. That's the top part of the strut mount, where it goes, the tower. So this is the bottom. The part goes here, and it just goes all the way up. It's pretty easy. This is actually just about the easiest struts I've ever installed. I've never seen an easier strut system before. All you need to do is lock it in a thing and orient the bottom. Put the bolts on. Total, that's 14 millimeters, so you only need about, I don't know how much. Well, anyways, just torque it to manufacturer specs. Alright, so we just finished the top. Now onto the bottom. So there's two ways to orient this. You want this to point that way, to point this way. See, if you do by hand, you can't lift this. What you need to do is you need to grab your jack. So let me move this back a little further. Grab my jack. I've got a jack right here. Unless you're a superhuman, you're not going to be able to lift that. And I am only 165 pounds. So all you need to do is just, you see it? Just jack it. And get it to orient, to get these two to orient together. Because the coil is holding it back. You can move the struts around. They have a little bit of movement. And grab your 19 millimeter bolt. The 19 millimeter bolt we removed, and it goes right on in. Just jack it up high enough so it'll fit. There you go. And it goes in. And give it a wiggle. Give it a wiggle, and it goes through. So it's threading through. Now you can let go you can lower the jack. And that's that. Just tighten it up and torque it to manufacturer specs, and you are good.